Welcome back. It's Friday. I'm excited. If you are not liking and subscribing so you don't miss any more of this beautiful face and this amazing stream, you gotta be. Come on. Get it together, guys. Get it together. Weird. All right. Let's get it. Let's go. TikTok. Get that up and running. Why does it say that's not available? When it is. Weirdos, dude. Ultra weirdos, dude. All right. Let's get it. What does TikTok have for us today? 800 comments. I doubt we'll get that. I doubt we'll get 800 comments. 2.4k minutes of views. We'll probably get that. We've done everything for the week. We have done literally everything for the week. Oh, I'm getting likes on YouTube? What the hell? Who's on YouTube? Type in the chat. Yeah, we don't have anything left for the week, which is kind of good because it is... Oh, we got a tier 3 bot. We might have to pop that today because it's Friday and we all know Fridays are slower, and I can give someone a subscription now. We got 9 days. All right, we're going to have to get every single challenge next week. Oh, 3 Alchemy, what up? Thank you for liking. I appreciate that. Thank you. How did you get the... What's the crown? What's the crown? Do you get it when you like the stream? What up, Meegsy? Yo, early again. What up, Mick? How are we? I'm happy. It's Friday. Let's fucking go. Let's go. We had a fucking fantastic week this week on the trades. We finished, well, we haven't finished up yet, but we're on 2.8 something percent for the week. 1% drawdown, fucking just literally picture perfect week. You know, 2.5% a week's 10% a month. Our average is 7.5%, so picture perfect week. Absolutely fantastic. So I'm happy. Got 25 XP in the crown is here, there. Maybe it's for liking. Maybe, yeah, true. Awesome. It's new. I'm not really in tune with all the fucking, how everything works. Let's go. Let's fucking go, Lockie. It's Friday. It's Friday. I'm exciting. I've got a experiment that we're gonna do a little bit later on when we get some more people in here. But I've got a nice little experiment to test out. Content likes, it seems. Ah, fuck, that hurt. Ow. Fuck. God damn it. You know what time it is. You guys know what time it is. Yep. It's getting more Lambos out of use. Nothing changes as per usual. Yeah. Yeah, it's me, man. Just fucking... Just scamming. Okay, let's have a look at the likes. Who's pumping it? No, let me guess. Why is it not showing up? There we go, Meegsy. 511. Ella with 5. 3 Alchemy, thank you. Welcome back. He's starting to pump up there already. 32. Do you reckon TikTok's going to continue their promotion of me? As I was saying, we're in the top 1% of creators with similar performance. How are we not getting fucking promoted like crazy? I don't understand. They gotta hate me. They gotta hate me. Anyway, we can go through the positions I'm in. I think I'm gonna start doing that at the start. So, Aussie dollar CAD. Did that just pump up again? It did. So we bounced off of yesterday's low, back up. I'm gonna get my little squiggly pen. I know everyone hates it because I just squiggle everywhere. But yesterday's low, we came down. I was in a little bit of profit and I was like, looking at it, I was like, do I take it off? Then I was like, nah, fuck it. Because there is just support fucking everywhere along here. And I was just like, oh, whatever. If we have to go back up to come back down again, I'll wait. Like, that's okay. I've been in this for a while. A while now. But that's okay. That's nothing. I'm literally in a little bit of profit. So it's not doing anything to my drawdown. Doesn't matter at all for me. Aussie dollar, US dollar. It's pretty similar to my Aussie dollar CAD positions because they move quite similarly. I'm in 3 in this. Bang, bang, bang. Again, had to reset the VPS so I can't see exactly where my positions were, but I'm going to guess they're around here. Just accumulating sideways, doing nothing. If we have to push up to get into another entry to come back down to take profit, maybe around last week's high, I'll be happy with that. No problem. I'm in virtually no drawdown on that, so that doesn't matter at all. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, this is one I was just staring at for fucking 20 minutes, half an hour, just thinking, do I take it off? Do I wait? Because we broke out, now we're retesting and we might come back down. So I was watching the retest. There was obviously a break, retest, and then we've got a bit of free air to come down to these levels for support, back down to yesterday's low. So I thought it would be silly of me to take profit early. So I left that on, but we are pretty much at profit. I could take profit now. I got 2 positions on that, but I will not. What else was I in? I'm not in March, eh? I got out of Euro odd. That was a fantastic trade. Boom, done, out, profit. Easy. That was a couple of days ago. Out of that. Euro USD. This is my most drawdown at the moment. I think it's like a couple of percent. Oh no, not even that. No. Fuck. How much drawdown am I? I was in 1% drawdown total. So I must be in fuck all with this. I just checked my drawdown too. It was 1%. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. We came back down, hit break even on NFP. We were tracing off of NFP, which is not surprising, but we'll see if we can break down eventually because this has been grinding for a couple of weeks now. So I've been in that for a while. It would be nice to get out of it. Plus, we're in just a massive trend at the moment, which is good. I've been able to get in and out and in and out and in and out on this entire leg, which is fantastic. I'll take that any day. So, USD, sweet. Pound odd, we just got in that maybe half an hour ago. We got our extension up, got in. It bounced off of last week's low. If we have to continue up, we have to continue up, maybe up to this zone up here for accumulation. Then maybe we'll get a break back down if support turns into resistance. Come back down, take out my TP, maybe. We'll see. But I do not think I'm going to get out of that in one position, which I don't care about. And pound CAD, which is what I had open just before I was having a look at it. We obviously had massive NFP breakdown. Now just flip-flopping around for a couple of days. So, thank you, Madra. I don't know how to say your name, sorry, but thank you very much. We're slowly coming back up, but obviously this is probably resistance that's going to push us back down, and we may flip-flop around for a couple more days. Obviously, I believe there's a US bank holiday today, so there won't be much going on. However, it is the CAD, so, and pound. So we should be fine. And I think that's... Wait, is there one more? There's another New Zealand pair. That might be it. Ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. So we're chilling. Fucking absolutely chilling. Fantastic week this week. Virtually, like, that is picture perfect. Getting in multiple positions, getting out with tons of profit, and being pretty much flat by the end of the week is just picture perfect week. We'll take these weeks every week if we could. Ready to see a green shaft and balls on my screen. Yeah. What's made you the most money in your lifetime, bro? Doing this? Or... Yeah, it'd be 100% doing this, but I've made money elsewhere too. I didn't use as much time as usual on bias check and lost. When I checked later, I would have won. Damn, I would have used more time. That's no good. Yes, Winky Wonka line, because my strategy worked, but I was in a hurry. Damn, that's not good. Okay, for real though, most technical analysis is a gamble, right? I mean, pretty much everything in trading is a gamble. It's all speculation. You need to use a combination of fundamentals and technicals to be successful, I believe. What's the most amount you made in a week? I don't talk about dollar figures ever, but I had a fun account on US dollar yen and got a fucking insane trade. Chart looks beautiful. Thank you. What up, Worldly? Thank you very much for the rose. I appreciate that. We're starting off strong. Let's fucking go. I'm also scared to put in, oh shit, more buys on the Euro USD. Scared we got into downwards price discovery. Dion, where'd it go? You're awesome. Thank you very much. Yeah. I wouldn't be looking at buys. I'm in just sells. This is a fucking hefty move. And I wouldn't be surprised if we do get price discovery at some point, or at least accumulation from this price discovery. Yeah, I can't see this fucking... This is daily too. I can't see this continuing to go that strong. I mean, we did see this. But fuck, that's a big move. Doesn't happen too often, so... Yeah, I don't know. We're due for a big pullback. Sorry guys, I'll catch up. Dean, thank you. I possibly wouldn't be buying that now. What up, Flexity? How are you? Welcome back. Great week, yep. I know it much, but just finished a paper trading and got out with 3K. Nice. Good job. Greetings, Dion. Thank you very much for you're awesome. I appreciate that. What app is that you trade on? I use MetaTrader 4. What are your thoughts on US dollar recent decline in value? I don't really have any thoughts on it. What app is that for trading? MT4. Is the market open today? Yes. Not for US stocks though. I don't believe. I don't know. I don't trade stocks. Birchop with the daily Heart Me and Go Popular. I think that's Birchop's 40th day in a row. Number one. Absolute number one. Thank you very much, Birchop, for the Heart Me and the Go Popular. What app is that for trading? Oh yeah, you asked that. Be careful for Aries. Yeah. What's up, bro? How are you? Well, nice to find an Aussie day trader. Thank you. New trader trying to know the website. All good. Sorry, I'm just trying to catch up on the chat. What up, Daniel? Is that how you pronounce it? Daniel? How are you? Do you trade crypto? Nah. How are you doing today? I'm fantastic. Number one. You are number one. USA futures, yes. The rest, no. And half day. Yeah, I don't know the exact details of the bank holiday. Independence Day. Yeah. I've been trading for almost 5 years. Battle. Nah, honestly, I don't like battling, man. I really don't. 3 alchemy, bro. How do you do that? 3.1k likes, Measy 2.2, Flexity 593, Duff 195, Darniel 116, B Tent 60, Birdshop 21, Ella 5, Worldly 2. Thank you guys. Thank you. We're getting this fucking Friday. Let's go. It is 4th of July. I did see that. How the fuck did I forget that? What's your favourite pair to trade? I don't have a favourite. I trade a lot. What city are you at? Brisbane? Fireworks parties, celebration in the US. Hey, US is big. Yeah, dude. I should have gone, actually, for 4th of July. I didn't even think about that. One of my mates is there right now. Have you made more than you... Yeah. Yes. 2. Silver Lady. Hello, Silver Lady. How are you? It's my superpower. Yeah, bro. Seriously. Yo, dude, sup? Please check the chart from Estate X. The chart from Estate X? What does that mean, Tommy? I'm confused. The chart from Estate X. I don't know what that is. Thoughts on potential pound decline over the news, or reckon it needs news to reverse into a downtrend? Decline over the news? Are you talking about Bailey? Was there any other news? Lagarde spoke, actually. But that's, wait, did you say pound or? Pound. What news are you talking about? I didn't say anything. Unless it's Trump talking about tariffs. I'll have a look at the pound pairs again. I know Euro pound's crashing a bit, but it's very well due for it. Battle. Do I? Same. I'm in Cabo. Oh, mad. Caboolture. Sweet. Too slow the reaction. Wake up, Tom. Come on! Leave me alone. I just got on. I'm caffeinating. I'm getting there. Don't sleep on Sezzle. I don't know what that is. I'm good. You're doing great. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. You speak like a proper Aussie, bro. Lamau, Nor. Haley, Nor. Where are you from, Mobsy? Yes, new RWA token. I'm good. I don't do that shit. Bailey, just leave it stupid. Can you share your P&L? I do not. I share my percentage gains, but I don't do money. Pounds. Let's have a look at pound pairs. Oh, I have a thought. I have an experiment to do as well. Yeah, I mean, that's so overdue for a big reversal. What up, El Bicho? You'll miss, lol, see, dude. Laters. Man, that's Swiss. Yeah. God, you must be looking pretty high time frame. Just doing some analysis, some stuff. Potentially. I don't see anything wrong with the pound. I don't see anything that could make it drop. We'd probably need something substantial or just market structure shift. What's good? I'm back. You'll miss. Okay. There's a bit on overly high energy prices and someone has potential to get stacks and Starmer just shrugged his shoulders clueless like a plum. I don't know if that's enough to break a super long trend, but I'm just gonna have to wait and see. Worldly. What am I looking at? Cat, black, blue dot, and then something that's not there that I cannot see. All right, we've got an experiment. I'm in a cell. On what, Jensen? We've got an experiment to do today. Gold. Oh, I don't trade gold. Were you trading Forex currencies? It was a smiley face. I don't know why that glitched. Oh, yeah, all good. Jay Eats. One rose. How many months on average do you think you were profitable in a year? 10. I've only had a couple of losing months. So, yeah, probably 10. Jensen, thank you very much for following me. Aman, thank you very much for following me. Time to rug you. Yeah. Yeah, we've got a thought experiment, and I'm gonna do this today because this is funny, right? Listen, I was thinking today, like, I do that sometimes, thinking, Jay, thank you very much for the rose, and I was like, people get so frustrated at the fact that I like do this shit, right? So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna get someone come in and shit talk, right? Are you profitable? Yes. Worldly with the tofu cats, bro. Thank you so much. What the fuck? I appreciate that, and we're getting likes on fucking TikTok. I mean YouTube. Who's back in there smashing the like button? Thank you guys. Okay, thought experiment. Live. Alright. So, people get really frustrated for some strange reason, right? I'm going to see if I can tap into someone's emotions and get them really heated just to see how stupid they are, right? So when someone comes in here inevitably talking shit, I'm gonna see if I can manipulate someone's brain into getting like mad or some shit. It's gonna be hilarious. I'm excited. How can you get mad? I'm just some random on fucking TikTok. One Muhammad, thank you very much for following me. I hope Monster sponsors you. Imagine, right, have unlimited white monsters. I'm drinking the Flying Powers right now because they're elite. Went for a stop in Aldi to fucking stock up. Your mama, thank you very much for following me. I have a funded account too, Richie, but I don't talk about it ever because I don't think any new trader should start funded accounts. I haven't even touched it in ages either. Hey, how many trades you take? That is, it changes every fucking day. Depends on if my setup's there. 0 to, I mean, fuck, it really depends. If there's huge fundamental news, I can get in fucking 8, 10 in a day. Usually maybe 1 to 3, 1 to 5. Capital, I don't say how much I have. I forgot to say I did gamble NFP. It probably would have got this account funded. Fuck. And you trade full time? Yeah. Thank you guys for following me again. I appreciate that. Those dollar longs against the Norwegian krone would have made back. Should we have a look at it? God damn! Fuck. The 1 minute chart. What the fuck? What the fuck? Imagine trading that. Imagine trading that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, you could literally just buy, sell. Although the spread on this would be fucking insane. Like, you wouldn't be able to because the spread would probably be the opposite each time. You wouldn't be able to make money on that. I very highly doubt. Oh, that's fucked. Yeah, look at the spread on this now. Imagine in whatever the fuck's going on here. That'd be horrible. That's so fucked. Hello, you are still here? Oh, look up pound card. Oh, fuck you. What time frames do you trade? High time frames, 1 hour. For my high time frame bias, 5 minute for my entry. Mental, yeah, it is fucked. Brutal, yeah. I've got something better to look at. USD, Russian ruble, 5 minute on trading view. I don't think I have Russian ruble on here. Nah. Nah. Turkish lira. Bro, we need to get on the fucking Turkish lira strats. That's literally just no money going through. That's fucking insane. Yes. I think we need to start trading Turkish lira. That's actually fucked. I'll run some back tests, see if I can come up with a strategy. Look at the spread! Look at the spread on it! That's fucked. That's actually fucked. How'd you get into trading? I don't even remember, to be honest. I actually don't remember how I got into it. Literally moving like a meme coin? Legit. 0 volume, yeah. There's literally nothing. Not a single thing going through it. Guys, we hit 400 fucking members in the Discord yesterday. It's fucking insane. Absolutely insane. 3 Alchemy, you're awesome. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I highly doubt we're going to get anyone in the Discord today. because it's Friday, and we all know Fridays are pretty dead. So we'll see. We'll see. Everyone's out doing what I'd rather be doing, which is drinking. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. Do you take partial profits on trades? No, not usually. If I'm closing out, I usually close out the whole thing. You know what I saw today? We're working and watching charts, not drinking. I know. It's been weeks. And, bro, I'm confined to these 4 fucking walls all the time. Like, I go to the gym and then I'm here. Just all the time. It's like, sometimes I just want to fucking leave and go do fucking something else. And on the weekends I can. And what does everyone do on the weekends? They go out and fucking drink. So it's like, that's all I kind of really, like, what am I going to do? Go fucking feed the ducks? What up, Lone Wolf? How you going? Thank you very much for the heart, man. I appreciate that. I think, actually, hold up. I think I should have done this before people started. What the fuck? But there's you're now a rising host in... What the fuck is this? A rising host in multi-guest. The fuck? There's like a community fest thing. So I'm going to start my 2-hour bonus time, which is 2 times points. So any points that I collect, I'll get 2 times the points. Okay. So I think heart me's, I don't know, but man, I don't know. I'm just trying to get TikTok to like me, okay? I don't know what I need to do. I'm in the 1% of all their fucking parameters that they fucking come out with for people with like my followers. But they hate me. What's your P&L for today? I don't know about today. I made... I think it was at 0.18%, but this week I've done 2.8%. I don't really pay attention to the day, like the daily percentages ever. I sometimes pay attention to the week, maybe at the end of the week, but it's mostly month. I mostly only pay attention to my monthly P&L. And if I have to scale out of a position or something, I'll check my percentage. I'm on night shift right now. Fuck that. Not drinking or going out until I'm profitable. No reason for me to celebrate when there's nothing to celebrate. I like that mindset. I like that mindset. I do a lot. Are you in Australia? Yep. Brizzy? Vane, you doing too much. Who's Vane? Well, I'm confused. Jab, thank you very much for following me. They want you to get gifts or talk about shit they can advertise. I know, and it's like, god damn it. Well, bro, I see other trading TikTokers of people that are just so full of shit, that are just idiots, get like so many views, and here I am with 15 fucking viewers when these people have like fucking 400, 500. It's like, brother, how does that even work? And they're so boring too. It's like, what the fuck? Like, what do I need to do for TikTok to like me? You're subscribed? Yeah. How long you been trading, fam? Almost 5 years. Okay, now we get some fucking views. Let's go. TikTok, maybe they're listening. Maybe they're listening. Heinrich and Real Peace. Thank you very much for following me. Varnol. I don't know. What does that mean? Varnol. What pairs do you trade and why don't you trade futures? Well, I'm more of a swing trader, so futures doesn't really apply to me because the contracts expire. 3 Alchemy with a ice cream cone. Community Fest. Heart me. Rose. Bro, thank you so much. What the fuck? Vano, can I like? Oh, that's who you're talking about. What did he do? Oh, you guys are battling the likes. 3 Alchemy, 9K. Measy, 3.5. Worldly, 950. Vano, gosh, you guys almost have the same fucking profile picture. 900. Flexity, 593. El Bicho, 414. Duff, 195. Armin, 174. Heinrich, 150. Thank you guys very much for supporting. I appreciate it. TikTok hates me, so we kind of need that. What time period do you do your trades at? 1 hour is my high time frame bias and 5 minutes is my entry. I need both of them to be meeting the criteria before. I developed an expert advisor, so I use a trading bot that gets me into my positions and does get me out a lot of the time too, unless I adjust my take profit. So my trading is about 70 to 80% automated. Can't I like? That's what, yeah, okay. Thank you guys for following me again. The amount of English kids I've seen that have a course and only do signals on gold, I can't be arsed with it. Yeah, dude, it's so bad, bro. It's so bad. Like, it is actually fucked. I saw a video. Austin, thank you for following me. I saw a video of a guy talking about how he has a course and he's not profitable. I was like, what the fuck? He was like in an interview. Oh shit, Worldly with the hat and mustache? Wait, what the fuck? 3 Alchemy with 10 GGs and then Worldly with a hat and a mustache. What the actual fuck? Bro, that's a big gift. Thank you. And thank you 3 Alchemy for fucking, bro, you guys are popping off. We're popping off tonight. It's Friday. I love it. What is everyone's plans? Tell me your plans. How do you use other times charts to your advantage? For example, do you read a 15-minute chart from a day? Like, do I go from day down to 15 minutes? Is that what you're saying? From a day chart. How do you read a 15-minute chart? I focus on only 1 hour and 5 minutes. If you do too much, you get confused. All right, 5 years. What was the study that took you profitable and is as in like ICT, SMC? Oh, no, none of that bullshit. No. So, fuck, this is a bit of a long story. So I started fucking forever ago, right? I was on that side of the internet, right? So I did other side hustles, you could say, before starting to trade. There was an industry that I made a bit of money in, but it wasn't, there were two industries that I made a bit of money in. One I had to stop, and the other one was just not mentally good for you. So I got out of that industry. However, I needed something else. So whilst I was still trickling in that industry, I was learning to trade, and it took me 2 years to become profitable. I did mentorships, courses, all of that bullshit for about a year after I just did the internet research and everything, and then was trying to figure it out on the charts and everything. And then after a year and a half, around a year and a half after I first started, I found a mentor who I learnt off. And then after 6 months of learning from him, that's when I went live. So it took me 2 years to go live. I was demo for that whole time. What do you think gold will do? No idea. I don't trade gold. Austin, thank you very much for following me. A bot is crazy. Why's that? Yo, dude, I'm new to trading and all. Got an app that lets you use fake money to trade. Good stuff. Of course, not profitable is nuts. Yeah, I know, dude. Actually fucking cooked. Got my first trade from €1 to 21. Closed it immediately. Jesus. You just fucking 21x to your fucking account. Joven, don't let the market humble you. Yeah. That's fucking crazy. That's a good line, funded. How to use other time charts to your advantage. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I only use the 1 minute, the 1 hour and the 5 minute, and sometimes the 4 hour. If I can't zoom out enough on the 1 hour and want a little bit more of a bigger picture, I'll go to the 4 hour. But besides that, doesn't bother me. Oh, here we go. We got one. We got one. We got one. Hold up. I'll get to that. Oh shit. I gotta catch up. Dude, I've never seen you trade. Brother, I'm in trades all the time. I'm literally in a trade right now. It's because I don't scalp. But we've got one. We've got one. Like, do you think that this is like made up because I don't manually trade and scalp? Small-minded people. That's small-minded people that don't understand anything. They don't understand anything. We've got one, guys. As a beginner, what advice would you give? Don't listen to all the bullshit you see online. Focus on the process before the profits. Use demo to be confident. Getting high watching streams, nice. Playing Dying Light 2 while I wait for rate cuts. All the unprofitable traders giving out advice. I'm going to sell a course, how to buy funded. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Playing, all right, yeah, I got that. Jovanovic, thank you very much for following. Thanks. Been popping on my For You page. Never seen a trade as a beginner. What was? Oh yeah, it's been popping. What you making now? What were they? I think you were losing cash now. Dream on, mate. Dream on, mate. Dream on, mate. Never seen a trade. Show a past trade. I'm showing you one right now. What? Small-minded people. Look at this guy. Look at this guy, Steve. Look at this guy, Steve. Small-minded individual. Small-minded individual. I can show you plenty of trades that I'm in right now. What do we got? No, US dollar CAD I'm out of. It was the Aussie pairs. Oh, look. Trades I'm in right now. Oh. TP. Entry points. Ooh. Oh my god, I've never seen a trade. I'm losing my fucking mind. I'm losing my fucking mind. I've never seen a trade. Oh my god, he's popping up on my For You page. I need to go in. I need to go in and talk some shit. I've never seen a trade. You're losing money. I've never seen a trade. Show close up, can't see shit. Bro, maybe get some glasses. And to be fair, I don't really care. Show me! Show me the fucking trade! Show me it! You're losing money. You're on my For You page. You're losing money. Show me your For You page. Show me. I'm losing money. I'm losing money. Show me the For You page. I'm losing. Steve Food, how many times do you want to say? What were they? What were what? If you have a chance to make crazy thing, what will you create? I don't know what you mean by that. Jojo, thank you for following me. Show me the current trade. Show me it. Steve's on job. I love the confusion. Bro, can you not see the screen? How many trades? Good cover. What? Show the trades. Show the trades. Show the trades. Show them. That's a good cover. Show the trades. Yeah, maybe. All right. Is Bitcoin on Cash App? Good. I just put up $11. Is Bitcoin on Cash App? Good. I just put. I don't know. I've never used Cash App before. Oh, I forgot to say I had 7 trades with 100% win rate. Now that I lost one time to 88. I mean, that doesn't matter. That's fine. You're not going to win all of them. It's like a hero addict fiending for another shot, literally. Show the trades! Show them! Show the trades! Show them! I mean, you can go back to YouTube. If you go over to my YouTube, Steve, you can actually go back to the start of the stream where I went through all of them. Should see his background, ask him to take away his green screen. Make a trade. You again? Every day. Asteri man, thank you very much for following me. Dude, you know what you're doing. What am I doing? Explain. Explain what I'm doing. Explain what I'm doing. No, but if I had used more time, check the charts, I would still have 100%. Yeah, I know. It's okay. Make mistakes, learn from them. Is day trading Bitcoin worth it? Absolutely fucking not. It's a terrible idea. Trading Bitcoin, like day trading Bitcoin is fucked. It's absolutely fucked. Brother, I fucked my hair up now. I look like a priest that likes anything. The view is so beautiful. Thank you, Daddy Chill. Do you offer a course? Nah. This is probably his second account or some shit. Bro, just like, I feel like people don't understand what swing trading is. Like, like, do I need to be scalping the market for you guys to think that I trade? Would you recommend pre-buying and selling Bitcoin? Pre-buying? What up, Sienna? Hello. What's string trading? Swing trading. So scalping is what you will mostly see on the internet, which is like, oh, this level here, we'll fucking get in here, we'll try and get up to here on like the 1 minute chart. Mostly 5 minute, 1 minute, and they'll scalp 20 minutes in and out, right? I will usually be in, and then there's day trading, which is obviously intraday, so you can be in from minutes to hours. You can be in there for a couple of hours, sometimes maybe a day or two. And swing trading is days to weeks, which is what I do. Sometimes I get in and out within the day, which I'll take. And then there's position trading, which is months to years. I want to believe. Doesn't seem like it. Steve, he does offer that good. Yeah. How's your day? My day was good. My day was absolutely fantastic. Just the same shit. Wake up, rush in, gym, come home, start working. Fantastic. And it's Friday. I finished school for term 2. Congratulations. Means he never trades. Bro, what the fuck? Do I really need... Okay, you want to believe... Like, zoom in or some shit. Screenshot it and zoom in. 1 trade. 2 trade. Take profit. This is on Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Aussie dollar, US dollar. I can't even see where that was, but it was 1 trade, 2. Oh, you probably can't even see that. Oh well, these are my trade lines, and then 3 trades. We're bouncing off, support and resistance, accumulating, take profit. I've got, and I'm in shitloads of pairs all the time. If you get, oh, okay, fuck it. I shouldn't even be caring about this, but give me a second. The things I do for you guys. The things I do. The things I do. Zzz. I'm literally in 13 trades right now. Oh, you're not even going to be able to see this either. Okay, actually no, you can. Give me a second, I'll just screenshot it. Yep, that works. Okay, give me a second. No! No, it went away. Hold up. Right, you should be able to hear me screenshotting. Alright, screenshotting. Okay. Delete that. Okay, fucking hell. I just changed around my entire OBS, so give me a break. There you go. These are the positions I'm in. This is my... how do I zoom in? So, if you want me to break this down, these are the symbols that I'm in. Oh, fuck. That's too big. These are the symbols that I'm in. So these are all the trades I'm in. This is my drawdown percent. How much profit I'm in on each trade or drawdown. My total is, do I need to zoom in more? This was screenshotted just then, and this is updated by the second. I'm in 1.13% drawdown. These are my lots. The amount of trades I'm in. I can't show the money. And this is my profit gain for each day. So the 30th, the 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th. I developed this dashboard so I can monitor all of this shit. Monthly, so obviously because we just started the month, that won't be in our monthly profit, but for this week, I did 2.86%. And I could realistically, oh shit, what the fuck? Oh, fucking hell. I could realistically fucking, you know what I mean? I could take fucking whatever. I could take another 0.25%, but I don't want to. I'll let them run for a bit. So those are the trades that I'm in, and those are what I was just showing you. So, no. Not full of shit. I am in trades all the time. But I don't blame your animosity, and because this industry sucks and everybody scalps, and if you don't scalp, you can't make money apparently. So I don't blame you. It's just fucking, yeah. Holy shit. 10 out of 10 explanation. I don't know what I was explaining. Good morning, mate. You leverage trade any XRP? Nah. Intraday, 8 minutes to your stop loss because you overchart. Who would do such a thing? I can't stay for long. That's okay. Congrats on finishing up the term. Steve's favorite hobby is hating you. That's all right. Still using the demo? Yeah, no. I don't make a cent from doing this shit. Zero. I actually, I have a sugar daddy that pays all my bills. How much profit do you make? I just showed that. I average around 7.5% a month. So to get 2.8% in a week is a great start to the month. Well, we're at 2.6% for the month, but you know, this week was a good week. Better to prove the haters wrong, right? Yeah. Time you're supposed to trigger them, remember? I think I did do that for a little bit. Meow per XRP. Thank you for following me. What up, Thor? How are you? I messaged you. I messaged you on both your accounts. I didn't know which one was which, but I messaged you on both your accounts. See if I could help out, because I want to get you on the right track. Feel like I missed a lot? Nah. I will show me. Beatrice, thank you very much for following me. Lol, the Windows sound. Yeah. Checking in from the USA. What part of the US? I love that. I should have gone. Happy fucking 4th of July. Show the trades! Show the trades! Can't see it. Got it. Do you have anything else to say, Steve? Or did you just like, did I do all of that for fucking nothing? How much, can we get a tosh, bro, every time? Do you actually really want me to? I can. But I'm going to say the same thing. How much do you usually make them up? I said that. Unknown Hamilton, thank you very much for following me. Ren, thank you very much for following me. Win percentage? Is that what you're asking? Ah, oh, fuck, I explained this so much. I don't think you're actually interested, to be honest, because you just come in here every day and just fucking talk shit, so I'm not even gonna respond. Another hat and mustache, brother. What the fuck? It's gonna be the same thing. Oh, we're upgrading. We got trading view. See on supercharts. There we go. Now I feel like a real TikTok trader. Holy shit, that's bright. What the fuck? Oh my god, thank God. So, if we calculate this triangle pattern here, that actually, this is the Mexican hut pattern. So we got the hut pattern. So what this indicates is when we put a line straight through here, as you can see, we've broken this trend line, which indicates that the market, so if we put our stop loss here, so we do our entry right about here, right? And what we're gonna do
is sniper entry. So we put our stop loss there. And then what people don't know is I'm the one who actually knows which way the market's going to go. So what we do, so guys, we're only risking 0.69%, but we're actually making 952%. Now, if you guys are not doing this strategy right now and buying my PDF file and subscribing to my Signal service where I show trades like this every single day, you're not gonna make it in trading. This is how you trade. You need the African hut pattern, and you need your 1 to 1,000 risk to reward ratio, okay, guys? Okay, so we're gonna come back and we're gonna see if this trade actually made money. Cause I can guarantee you, I actually know that this is a sniper entry, and this is one that we go over in my Signal group. That all you have to do is send money to my offshore broker that's actually based in a little field in Bermuda, and your guys are gonna get sniper entries like this. Send 350 euros to my offshore broker, and you guys get free access to my subscription service where I show you guys what trades to take. And this is the great thing about this sort of stuff, is you can copy all of my trades. You can just copy and paste them. All of my trades and my team's trades. You guys have got this.
Bro, the African hut strat. OP. How accurate was that? What was the accuracy percentage? I need to know. For the year? For this year? I'd have to extract from 2 different accounts, but it's probably at about 40 to 50% in between there. Use a pro firm? I do, but I don't promote them. I was busy watching the last of your vids last night. Everything is starting to make sense. Okay, cool. Sweet. Worldly, holy shit, 69, what the fuck? 4 tofu cards, 7 roses, 69 your awesomes, and then another one, so 70. What the fuck? Bro. Thank you. That's fucking insane. About 3, how long you been trading? Almost 5 years. Wait, let me get my notepad. Alright, all done now. Sweet. Well, if you still want to get in a call, just let me know. Bull flag. Might have to watch them all again, might understand a bit more. That's what I recommend. I do say that. Just watch them a couple of times and it'll make a little bit more sense. Why was this accurate? I'm sold. Send me the African hut pattern course. See? You hated me and now hopefully you love me. Orangey. The orange man. What the fuck? Take my money.
And actually, guys, I have a $3,000 PDF course as well.
Ruthless Rut, thank you very much for following me. Dude, you're not fooling anyone. Oh, God. 97.3%. Okay, we're getting there. Your views went up. Steve, come on, man. How should I get into day trading? I don't want to mess up my first time at least trying it out. Go onto my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. It's free. And then go watch the 1 hour video. There's a free video and just the complete basics. And then you can go a couple different ways. I'll send my screenshots. What are you sending screenshots of? How long did it take you to become profitable? Almost 5 years. There's a few different directions you can go from there, Tyrell. When Toshi gigabags, I'm going to come in with the meanest guy. Yeah. Sid from Ice Age. Yeah. Any shitcoin recommendations? Nah, sorry, man. Send an email? Bro, what are you even... Steve, you're part of the African art community. Oh, bro, is this just a fake account? Please have a face. They never do. They never do. Bro follows ICT people. And he's coming in talking shit about me. Like, come on. You know what's like amazing about doing this and having it be my own live stream? Right? You guys want to see something funny? You can just do this. Bye! Bro, Worldly, thank you so much for the 2 hat mustaches and the you're awesome and the roses and everything. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Do you use any specific algorithms and strategies? Yes, I do. Steve makes the market respect him. Is there anything else that I could have like shown there besides my fucking account balance? Like, I feel like there's nothing else I could have done. Yo, bro, don't need to listen to these yappers. If it causes you to lose your peace of mind, it's not worth it. Nah, bro. Bro. I don't give a fuck what, like, any of these fucking people that are negative say on the fucking internet. I don't give a fuck. Couldn't give 2 shits. Like, why? I know what I'm doing. Like, I know that these people are just delusional fucking weirdos, right? I know this. It doesn't, not for 1 second do I get like annoyed about someone on the fucking, it's some random fake account on a fucking TikTok live stream that fucking says something, right? And I'm going to tell you another reason why I don't care is we had one of the fucking haters come in on a call, right? Or not a call, but he jumped in on the live stream. I don't know if anyone's in here that was watching that, but these are the people that are talking shit. This guy was the most delusional, just weirdo I'd ever spoken to. And this is the guy that was in here talking shit. It was like, I couldn't give a fuck about someone hating. I absolutely love the nice messages and the things that people do in here and the support that I get. That makes me so fucking happy. But what doesn't happen is I get really mad or annoyed. I don't have the other side of the emotions for people that are negative. I couldn't give a fuck. I seriously couldn't give a fuck. I know what I'm doing and I know I'm helping people and making just people's lives a lot easier with this shit. So I couldn't give 2 fucks. What we were doing earlier, I don't know if you might have been confused, but I said earlier that I was going to do an experiment with haters where I was just going to try and rile them up and shit. And act like I cared to try and get them frustrated. Steve wasn't the villain we wanted, but the villain we needed. RIP. Rest in peace, Steve. See you never. Which do you think is better, starting out Forex futures or options? I prefer CFDs because you can swing trade. He's the owner of TradingView and showed the banks how to make it. Yes. Nate, thank you very much for following me. Snuffbox gambling. Oh, do we have another one? Are you saying I'm gambling? Let's go. Damn, he knows my strat now. David, thank you very much for the GGs. I don't know if I just said that. See, bro is tapped in. You don't have to explain yourself now. On to some questions. Yeah. David, thank you very much for following me. Hi G, what up? How are you? Michael Berry bought signals from Steve in 2008. I'm just starting to understand everything. I just need the guidance. Do you think TJR, Tyler's boot camp? I don't particularly know much about TJR. I did watch one video, I think yesterday, because everybody keeps talking about him. But I don't really associate myself with that side of the internet. All those, internet fucking traders. But I watched one of his trades and I was like, what is this fucking absolute nonsense? So, do whatever you want, but me personally, I wouldn't waste your time. Be worth watching. Yeah, dude, it's so long. One day, Brian, I don't know. I don't look at my daily profits. I take really small profits consistently. How much time do you spend in your chair and how long did you have to dedicate your life to this? Bro, I spend 14 to 16 hours sitting here. But I'm doing other shit too. I'm not just trading. Like now I have the community and everything and it's pretty hectic. I love it. I want more people. I want more people in there. I want to be fucking helping more people and everything. Like it's just it's good. I like when I have shit to do. But yeah. Did you have to dedicate your life to this? Not particularly. So, well, I mean, free time, yeah, for a long time. Like I would go to work, get home, and then would be up till so I'd get up at fucking 7 o'clock in the morning. I'd go to work, go to the gym, come home, and then I'd be up till 2, 3 o'clock in the morning doing this shit for a very, very long time. Years. Because I was learning from complete fucking nutcases who didn't know what the fuck they were talking about. I just don't know what markets to start in, if that makes sense. Yeah, absolutely. Just do CFDs. Learn from me. Yes, lad, the eyes don't lie, Chico. I love that. I love that. Thank you, Jay. Hell yeah, that was the funniest shit I've watched thus far. Thank you. Pablo. Oh, God, we got a few. Pablo, Daddy Toby, and Michael Zuzu. Thank you guys very much for following. Which way do you trade? Price action? Yeah. Price action for my entries, and then I'll use price action and fundamentals for exits. I'm good. I started trading yesterday. Today I made 20 euro only. That's all right. Good job. It's a start. The fact that you guys are out here actually putting in some fucking effort is all that matters. It's all that matters. We have 400 people. We just hit 400 people in Discord, right? The majority of them at some point were like, I want to start this shit. I want to get into it. The majority of them didn't do a fucking thing. Gave up straight away. So the fact that you guys are even just doing anything is very good. Gold sells. I don't trade gold. So, I don't know. I don't want to talk on something that I got fucking no knowledge on. So, yeah. Good. Thank you, Michael. How about you? What about me? When did I start trading? Almost 5 years ago. Today, I didn't even... What did I make today? I can't remember. How do I find high time frame lows and highs? Look at the... I mean, depends what high time frame you want to look at, but you just go on the daily highs and lows. And I mean, so people are different. If you want to do daily highs and lows, I have an indicator that I use that marks yesterday's high, yesterday's low, last week's low, and we can't see last week's high right now, but we do that. So I got last week's high, last week's low, and then yesterday's high and yesterday's low. So you can do that, or you can mark out session lows. lows and highs if you really want to. Yeah. Juan, hello. Let me get this back on 5 minutes so the EA works. Wait, what the fuck just happened? Oh, it's a Swiss pair. I was like, why the fuck's my EA not on? Oh, it's a Swiss pair. What was it? It was euro. No, it wasn't euro. It was pound. Wasn't it? Am I hallucinating? Oh yeah, pound card, pound odd. What the fuck? Oh, flip-flopping around. I like that. I like the look of that. About as standard as it gets for a break and retest. But this is an interesting one, right? So if we look at some smaller time frame price action, we have highs here. You can do the wicks. That is just basic resistance. That's yesterday's high. So we bounced off of yesterday's high. So we're now in between yesterday's high and last week's low, which is very interesting. So we obviously pushed up. There's been a pretty big substantial move. So I got in a short here on the reversal. God, this thing's too thick. I get that all the time. So we got our reversal entry. So we're coming back down. We bounced off of last week's low, broke through, tested it again, came down to yesterday's high, bounced off of that, bounced off of last week's low. That's a fucking nightmare. Not that I really give a shit about 5 minute fucking tiny price action, but there you go. Doji Bootcamp is actually quite good for teaching SMC. Teaches 50-50. Oh, smart money concepts. I don't want to hear about it. I don't want to hear about it. Basic if basic, but decent for starting. What do you recommend to start off? Learning from this Big Daddy G. What do you think about M15 for day trading? M15 is fine. 4 hour high time frame, M15's great. Did you say day trading though? You'd be definitely swinging at that point if you're using 4 hour for high time frame confirmation, which I would highly recommend always having a higher time frame bias. It's my opinion. Do you trade when there's no news? Yeah, all the time. Who did you learn by? Gatekeep. I learned from books and YouTube. Nice. Do you trade crypto? Nah. Alright, who? Each day is a setup. A year ago, I didn't even know what TradingView was. Nice. Tom, yes. Sorry for the questions. Just curious, more or less. Bro, of course. That's what I'm here for. I answer everyone's shit. Anyone that has questions, it's what I'm here for. I talk to everyone. That's why my streams are a little bit different, right? They're a little bit different in the fact that I don't scalp. So I sit here, holy fuck, David, I didn't even see this. A rose, 4 GGs and a heart me? Wait, did I see that? If not, thank you very much. In the fact that because I'm not scalping, I can engage with you guys and answer any questions that you have. You know, it's more of like a Q&A stream. I need a personal teacher. That's what I'm here for. Mentorship's linked in my bio if you want personal teaching. Hi, what is the first thing I should study, read to learn more? Have you done the baby pips course? You could try that. I have a 173k XRP. Is it worth holding on to? Well, no clue. Forex is for people who haven't woken up yet. Okay, sure. Right, thank you very much for following me. What is a good company to trade in right now? Like stock? I don't do stocks. What color boxes we have today? Black. What broker do you use? Black Bull Markets. The link's in my bio. If you're Australian, there's literally no point in going with anyone else. What's wrong with smart money concepts? So, to be fair, I don't know particularly too much about smart money concepts. What I do know is, or who I know, is very wealthy, profitable traders who are not on the internet, and they all say smart money concepts is complete garbage. And design, it's just concepts that are renamed to make you sound smarter than you actually are and think you know what the fuck you're doing. I'll listen to them. I have 50k cash. Can I give it to someone to do the work for me? Yeah, give me 50%. Heinz, how personal? Is Forex still good compared to futures? Yes. What sites or apps do you use or are the best? So, okay, great question. My broker is Black Bull Markets. My platform I trade on is MetaTrader 4. And I regularly use Forex Factory and Financial Juice, open pretty much 24/7, for keeping up with fundamentals. If you want me to put them all in the chat, I can. Sysmore followed, thank you very much. Thank you. I can't trade. What's your strategy? I use a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. Happy to give you 50% of profits, but nah, I wouldn't do that. I don't want the stress of other people having other people's money on the line. I actually had somebody ask me today to do that, and I just don't want that stress. Jax, thank you very much for following me. Can you put them in the chat? Yep. So my broker is linked in my bio. forexfactory.com, financial juice. I'll do it. I saw you in Kmart? No, you didn't. I don't believe it. Which Kmart? That's the question. Which Kmart? I need a quick turnaround. Oh, forget about it. I wouldn't, I mean, I don't believe this anyway. I don't believe you got 50 grand to fucking spare. I actually probably would. If we made up some form of agreement, I'd talk to my solicitor and then, yeah, I'd maybe do it. See what sort of like, things I'd need to do. Message me with proof on Discord. Go onto my Discord and message me with proof. What up, Rello? Is gold looking bullish or bearish? I don't trade gold, but neither. Just fucking, just sideways. Yeah, I don't know. Guys, we hit 400 fucking members in the Discord. I'm so happy about that. Interesting. Oh God, get gold off my screen. Anything else? That'll do. Is there any other sites? Yeah, it's wait, hold up. User, thank you very much for following me. It's that website. Yep. Go join the mentorship. Plugging myself like a piece of shit. I apologize for that. Is there any other sites? Yeah, the one I just said. Honestly, hand on heart, do I own my house, have typical shares, and have spare coin? Yeah, fucking send me a message on Discord. What size monitors do you have? I got a 32 and a 27. I wanted to get like the 49. I think it is the 49 to just have one big one, but I just couldn't be fucked redoing all the aspect ratios and all that bullshit. I just couldn't be fucked, to be honest. All I need is, I got another monitor right there. I got a 24 because I want a small one above here to read the chat and have the chat up and everything, but fucking, yeah. I bought a fucking monitor arm too, but it's just not, it just doesn't reach. I want to learn day trading, but don't know where to start. You can join the mentorship. Yeah. Join the mentorship. I'm new to futures, started yesterday, was trading options 4 years before. What you're trading currently? CFDs. I trade Forex. I trade 18 different currency pairs concurrently. How do you find your bias? How do I answer this question? I have an expert advisor that I have parameters set. So I don't stare at the charts and pick a bias. I can't find your Discord. What do I go to join? Okay, I'll do Discord too. Was that you that joined the free? What? Yeah, it was. Yeah, okay, so you can do that and then the link's in there. Yeah. So there's a link that's in there too. It'll be an automated message that gets sent to you and then that link will work. I was just gonna pop the link in here, but yeah, that works too. That WAP thing is just for, that's like old for people that used to go to the WAP to get into the Discord. I know it's not your avenue, but I'm looking for a new prop firm and a trading platform. I don't know, man. I'm not too sure. Can't see the websites. Can I pin multiple? Okay, not approved. Financial Juice and Forex Factory. I've said that in my videos too. You're in the... Oh, no, you're not. You're not in the mentorship. I just ordered 32 inch, but I think I'll buy another 24, 27. Yeah. Start with 300. How can I make $50 off of it? It's probably gonna take a while. 300 is not much. So some comments in this live have been filtered to protect the community. What? That's ridiculous. What's up, Cam? Michael Bin 23 and Rob, thank you very much for following me, guys. Maddie, what's good? How's your week? Oh, the tiny and the hat and the mustache. What the fuck? I didn't even see that. It's because I got YouTube open. I would have seen it. Damn it. Welcome. How's the week? What have you got on for the weekend? I bet you're drinking, and I can tell you right now that I'm 1000% fucking jealous. I'm good. I'm fucking absolutely fantastic. I'm absolutely fantastic. I want like one for charts, one for news, and one for other information. Yeah. That works. Three's fine. What's good? Not much. How are you feeling about the markets? Fine. I had a fantastic week. Go to Forex Factory and look for CPI and USD and then put all $300 into a buy. What are we trading here? Forex, currencies. I do currencies only, really. Bugger all, mate. Of course I'm on the piss, mate. It's a Friday. Bro. Fuck, I want to drink! Fuck! Idiot! Yeah, dude, I really wish I was with you on that one. Thank you very much for the hat and mustache and tiny Diney. I appreciate it. It's been so long. It's been so long. To be fair, but you know what's crazy? So, one thing about me is when I drink, right? I drink till I drop. Like I do not fucking stop. It's terrible, but I do not fucking stop. And because I haven't drunk in a little bit, man, my focus on Mondays is like through the roof. Like I feel like a fucking superhero on Mondays now. And just throughout the week, I've just been just blasting through the week, just work, fucking doing this, doing that, so motivated, everything. It's fucking crazy. It's like crazy. I fucking hate it, though. I want to feel like shit again. Give me some alcohol, please. Please. Fuck. Right. Maddie, thank you. How's your Tuesday? Bro, my week just flew by. I was so busy. It was amazing. Gold, I don't know. I don't know about gold. I don't trade gold, so I got absolutely no fucking bias towards anything. To be completely honest. Man, Monday, I'm still cooking it. Bro, I'm with you after a few beers. Yeah, dude, it's fucking... I do not stop. Like, it's so bad. SPW, Clover, Maddie, and Gabriel. Gabriel, thank you guys very much for following me. I appreciate it. Yeah, no, good on you. Nah, fuck that. This isn't like some fucking I'm having a break or some shit. I just can't. Josh, what's good? What's good? What's good, broker for MT5? Black bull markets. The link is in my bio. The link is in my broker. Link is in my bio. Literally the best broker. Thank you, my buy signals. That includes news before it comes out. I have two. That's funny as fuck. Trading gold? Yeah. I don't trade gold, no. Yep. What up, Josh? How are ya? Bro, it's been ages. You know what's crazy? Fletcher was in here fucking 2 days ago. Hadn't seen him in fucking forever. You don't have to, bro. You've done so much for this fucking stream. You don't need to give me shit. But thank you very much for the roses, bro. Thank you very much. Yeah, Fletcher was in here like 2 days ago. It was so strange. Like all the OGs just randomly came back in one stream. I was like, what the fuck? It was so strange. Had to get number one. All right. I'll accept that one. Is this crypto? Nah. Forex. I was supposed to be doing dry July. Fuck. Yeah. Nah. Jay in San Diego reviews. Thank you guys very much for following me. What's been happening, Josh? It's been fucking ages, man. How you been? You train anyone? What? You know what's crazy? I was actually about to talk about training. The reason why I don't need to do dry July and I can like have darts and shit all the time and whatever is, bro, I train so fucking hard during the week. Like so unbelievably hard. Oh, mentor, yeah. Yeah, I have a mentorship. I love fucking mentoring. It's like, bro, it's my favorite thing to do. If I could get rid of the trading and just mentor, that'd be perfect. Burt Chop with the donut. Josh and Burt Chop, absolute fucking OGs. Absolute OGs. Thank you very much, Burt Chop, for the fucking donut. That's a big gift. What the fuck? I didn't realize they were 30 coins. The fuck? Yeah, Jay, if you're interested, the link is in my bio. You get a lot of shit. I'm mentoring free. Oh, yeah, no, you gotta pay. I couldn't, like, so this is the thing. Is that Brisbane? Yeah. He from Brizzy? The mentoring is paid for, but man, like, you can message me on Discord and talk to me, ask questions. Like, I talk to people all fucking day. All day I'm talking to people. The mentorship guys they get my strategy, they get my expert advisor and my indicators that I developed. The expert advisor is like the trading bot that I've been using for the last fucking 3 years. That's how I get in and out of most of my trades. My trades are like 70% automated. You got all the standard course material, plus you get one-on-ones for free, which pretty much, bro, like nobody else does that shit. And it's fucking so cheap. I'm an idiot for making it so cheap. But I hate that I have to charge anyway, otherwise I'd have no fucking time ever. It's just how it's got to be. Unfortunately. Headhunters, thank you very much for liking. Why'd that sound so weird? That's whack. How we looking? Rough gem. I'm looking like a rough gem right now. This fucking haircut. Jesus. Let's have a look at the likes. Holy shit. 3 alchemy, 22 fucking K. Are you serious? Meegsy 4.9, Worldly 2.9, Aman 2K, Vano 1.2. Worldly beat him. Michael 700, Heinrich 600, Flexity 600, El Bicho 414. Fucking hell. We're having a good Friday stream, surprisingly. Usually Friday streams are like ultra dead. Maybe TikTok. I mean, we don't really have that many viewers, but it's better than fucking last week. Last week was rough after they took away all my fucking viewers. I like automation trades where it does all of it for you. Yeah, so, well, I mean, like, I like that as well because it frees up a lot of time, right? Now, it's not just you put it on your charts, you forget about it, you don't really give a shit, right? You need to know all the ins and outs and why it's taking these trades, because there are times in any strategy that you'll get caught out, and you need to be prepared for that and understand why that's happening and how to get out of those situations. That's stuff that I all teach in the mentorship. I just dropped a fucking 2-hour, 40-minute fucking masterclass. What's your highest month income? Oh, I'm not going to say that. Rough Gem, thank you very much for following, but finding the right one is hard. Yeah, absolutely. Dude, most bots fucking suck. People charge hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for fucking trading bots. It's actually fucked. And mine comes for free in a mentorship with indicators that can cost hundreds of dollars. Plus you get one-on-ones with me, which most people charge like $2,000 for fucking or at least $100 for a fucking one-on-one. It's actually ridiculous. Like, I'm ripping myself the fuck off. Thoughts on cutting off day ones for trading? I've already done it. You gotta have your people. Like, you need people. So you gotta find the right balance of work and play. But there's gotta be a hell of a lot more work before you're allowed to play, which is something that you said earlier. I'm pretty sure it was you. About not celebrating until you've made it. Maybe that was you, maybe that wasn't you. So could I actually start trading as a normal person with a schedule? Yes. That is a fantastic question, Aiden. Fantastic question. So my bot, right, is customizable. So everything that it's based off, you can customize it to whatever parameters you want. So let's just say the time frames, for example. So, and I break this down in my masterclass too about what sort of time frames you should be trading as someone with a full-time job. Now, you would most likely be looking at the 4 hourly for your higher time frame bias and a 15-minute for your entries. You only need to check that fuck all a day, right? Now, this does mean that you're going to get less entries and you will most likely be making less money, but you can still get into it. And then once you build your account, do all of that shit, you can drop it down. I use the hourly in the M5 chart because I sit in front of my computer all day. I can look at this shit all the time. But for someone that's like starting out, you'd probably be looking at, and if you've got full-time job, H4 M15 or daily and the hourly, and you'd be looking at swing trades which would play out within a couple of days to a couple of weeks. But yeah, absolutely, you can fucking, I mean, that's why I made it all customizable. Udesh, thank you very much for following me. Is the masterclass free? Nah, it's in the mentorship. Do you need time? Yeah, well, you need time to learn, right? Like, you do need time to learn, which is the most important part, is learning everything. But that's like anything. There's no just fucking free money in the world. The catch is, how much do you need to start? Yeah, I mean, yeah. So Well, you got to think about how much money you want to be making in the first place. So if I had a $100 million account, right, and I'm making 10% of that a year, I'm making $10 million. Or even like a $1 million account and I make 10% of that, I'm making $100,000, right? So the problem is capital. I did 9.8% last month, so I would have made $98,000 if I had a $1 million account. So if you're going more conservative on a lower time frame, on higher time frames, so something like H4, M15, you'd probably be hovering around maybe 5% a month. I don't entirely know because I've never run H4, M15. Not that I remember, I might have done it once, but I've always really done H1, M5, where I average around 7.5% a month. So think about that, right? If I'm averaging 7.5% a month, how much capital do you guys have to deposit making 7.5% a month? You know what I mean? So you gotta take that into consideration. The other thing you have to take into consideration is minimum lot sizes. So when you take trades, right, there's a lot size that's calculated based on how big your trade is. If you're on a 0.1 lot or 0.01 lot size, that's the minimum. If you have like a $500 account, the minimum lot size is going to be about 0.01. Now, if you have a $750 account, for instance, that 0.01 lot size might still apply, right? So when you go into drawdown on a 0.01 lot size on a $500 account, the drawdown from that is going to be a much higher percentage than it is if you're going to have the $750 account. So you need to take that into consideration, that there are minimum lot sizes in trading. So my recommendation, if you're starting, is not everybody has access to something like that, right? Not everyone does, and that's okay. So you can start with less, but you just have to be mindful that the minimum lot sizes will apply. And you can get caught out with too much drawdown. Yeah, so no celebrating whatsoever. Yeah, I like that mindset. Aiden, thank you very much for following me. How much can you expect your first year? Oh, man, it's such a difficult question to ask. Because it's so different every year. In a percentage, if you're just starting out, and you can end up on a 40% year, that's a fucking big win. Now, that doesn't mean that you might make stupid mistakes and turn that into 20%, or you get lucky and you make 100%, doing the correct processes and everything, and having a couple of the big months. My biggest month was like a 40% month, right? Does not happen very often, but it has happened. Two months ago, I did June, April, I'm pretty sure it was, I did 21.22% in 1 month. You know what I mean? So that's not often. I did 9.8% last month. I'm currently on 2.6% for this month, and we're only 4 days in. So it just really depends on what's happening with the market. How long did it take you to make 10K? Well, I started with 20K. That was my first deposit. But I was demo trading for 2 years, so I could build up enough capital to chuck in. How much hours do you spend on day trading a day? 1 to 3. besides if I'm not on here. Obviously I'm here so I can monitor it all. But yeah, maybe 1 to 3. Do buy sell indicators work? I'd suggest probably not. I would not touch them with a 10-foot fucking pole. Right, I'm gonna head off. I have stuff to do. See you later, brother. Thank you very much for tuning in again. Coming and having some fun. I appreciate it. You've been in here for ages and you're good value to the stream, so I appreciate it. You have a fucking fantastic evening, and I will I'll talk to you on Monday probably. So take it easy. How can I learn how to day trade for free? It's difficult to do for free. Babypips.com. Did you ever use FX replay? Nah. Yeah, I'm off to bed too. I'll join the Discord soon. Oh, sweet. I look forward to seeing you in there. Did we get anyone today? I haven't really told people to join my Discord besides like the fucking very start. Holy shit, we got 4 people. Oh, Worldly joined. Mad. Crunchtoast.com. Kazmakad, Cam. Thank you guys very much for joining the Discord. I didn't even really like plug it, eh? I love that. I love progress, man. Progress is so fucking... Yeah, I love progress. Do you work an actual job, or is this all you do? This is all I do. I don't work a job. Fuck that. Start with just watching any trade video and see if you're interested. Yeah. Yep. AV, thank you very much for Ave. Thank you very much for following me. Have fun. May your trades lead to victory. Thank you very much. Have you used funded prop accounts before? Yeah, plenty of times. Headhunters. Surely you followed me before. Am I tripping? I swear. Maybe I'm tripping. How come you don't work as a trader at a high level company? I've never even looked into it. And one of the whole reasons why I got into this was so I didn't have to work for anyone. I fucking hate working. As you can probably tell from my response to, do you actually work a job? Fuck that. Plus, I don't even know, surely there would be some requirements that you need for that sort of shit. Besides cost of VPN? Are you talking about VPS? Yes, sorry, VPS. What about the... Wait, what are you... wow, I'm like so confused. What... Fucking hell. We're at 60k likes? Holy shit. It's actually wild. I'll stay on for the 2.4k minutes of views. What? I don't know if you're typing something, like I'm confused, but as a teen, what's the easiest way to earn money? If you're a young teenager, probably just get a job. You can focus on education and everything like that in terms of maybe side hustles or, you know, depending on how young you are and what sort of stuff you have. But if you're like super young, I'd probably recommend just like focusing on school and everything, and then if you've got some spare time, look into stuff. But you never know, you could fucking... As a young person, it's I don't know, lots of stuff changes. I don't know, maybe that's not the best answer for like a teenager, but I mean, you can also always do like like little side hustle shit, like fucking, you know, if you want to get into the entrepreneurial world, go do some sales, go door knocking, fucking offering to mow people's lawns or wash their bins or something like that. That's a fucking good way to get into the entrepreneurial side of life. See if you like it. I did sales for a long time. It's a good skill to have. It's a great skill to have. How about making vids on social media, or is that almost impossible to earn money in your experience? Bro, my social media is shit. I don't know the requirements to making videos on social media. It's very cutthroat. There's a lot of people out there doing it. You would have to be pretty good at it, but I mean, never say never with that sort of thing, you know? Like, give it a go, and if you like it, keep going. There's no easy way to make money. There's no easy way, and you shouldn't be looking for an easy way. You should be looking for, you know, the tough experiences, because that's what's gonna, you know, build you up. It's always the tough shit that make you better at life experiences and stuff, yeah. Why do you have a British accent, bruv? What are you talking about? I have a British accent. I'm Australian! God, we dropped right off. I guess it's 8:45 p.m. on a fucking Friday night. Nobody's on fucking TikTok watching trading live streams. What the hell is even that? It's like a bit of glue from the fucking can. That scared the shit out of me. What the fuck? Bro, I thought that was like a fucking... I don't even know. That scared the shit out of me. Hold up. Energy drink is bad for you. Isn't everything? Do you not have any other forms of income? Yeah. Yeah, I got a few. But it's nothing that I'd recommend for you. Like, I had to build myself to be in the position that I can have multiple forms of income. There's people dying every day because of it. Yeah, probably. I'm alright. Do you mind sharing? I'd rather not. The majority of it's trading, but I mean, I've just got, like, I don't have crazy sources of income. You know, I got the mentorship and everything, and fucking the affiliate links pay me literally nothing, I guess, and the mentorship pays me virtually nothing. TikTok pays me virtually nothing, so yeah, trading's pretty much it. How much you make a month? About 7.5% of my account. Yep. God, we died down. How much is virtually nothing for you? I don't talk about money on here. In affiliate links, I've made like, I'll tell you that much and you'll see what virtually nothing means. I think it's like $75. So yeah, it's that doesn't, honestly, I don't really care about the affiliate link money. It doesn't really, they're just there. Do you have a Discord? Yep, Discord's linked to my bio. Jump on in. IP code. I'll be waiting for you. I'm watching. Yeah, it's free. Ooh, oh, that's Jay. What up, Jay? Yeah, it's free. I got a free one and I got a mentorship as well, which is paid Discord. Hey, is somebody saying something? Actually in there? Oh. We got some conversations in the mentorship. I love it. I love it. Fuck. Those guys are doing so well. Listening, learning. It's good. I knew I was going to do that. That's fucking funny. Just bounce in between last week's low and fucking yesterday's high. That's fucking funny. What was the one that we were nearly at? No, not New Zealand dollar CAD. It was pound. No, that's what we were just looking at. No, what the fuck was it? What the fuck was that position that we were looking at before? Euro USD? No. What the fuck? Was it an Aussie pair? No, it wasn't that. Wasn't that? Oh, it's this. Yeah. Brazil and New Zealand dollar. Close. Oh. How do I get started with affiliate links? I don't know. How old are you? Picnic, thank you very much for following me. I'll just save up for a shoe I want. How do I get started with affiliate marketing? Bro, you'll have to Google affiliate marketing. Go watch a YouTube video on affiliate marketing. You need an audience first. Joined? Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. I see ya. What the fuck is going on? Hollywood Sky, are you from Hollywood? Are you from LA? Please. Please. Damn it. Ooh, actually? That'll be a fucking... Interesting. I'm planning on going to LA pretty soon. I doubt I'm gonna fly over to Miami. But potentially. That's mad though. Welcome. That's fucking awesome. I have a soft spot for America and I get shit on it all the time. Shit on all the time for my soft spot. 16, I post sports content. I get 3K usually. Any tips on what should I affiliate market? Man, I'm not in the sports space at all. So I have absolutely fucking no clue, to be honest. I wish I could help you with that, but man, I got fucking no clue. Holy shit. 3 Alchemy hit 30k. And SPW Clover 5.3. Holy shit. Holy fuck, you're about to... Have you beat the top liker? Oh, you're so close. You're so close. You're so close. All right, I'm ending the stream, guys. Have a good night. I'm ending the stream. I'm ending the stream. See you later. See you later, guys. See you later. Oh, you're about 150 away. I'm ending the stream. Have a good night. Sorry, 3 Alchemy. Having a good night. Goodbye. Holy shit. Imagine. So how do you get the affiliate links? You'll have to find a website that's related that charges a subscription or some shit. 3 motherfucking Alchemy has done it. Bro. That's the most likes I've ever gotten in a fucking stream. That's absolutely fucking insane. Do I get the subscription for all the likes? Absolutely. Wait, which one? Is TradingView good? I don't use it. I use MetaTrader 4. Bro, 3 Alchemy. It's fucked. SPW Clover as well. Wait, do you breed dogs? Megsy 5k, Worldly 2.9, Aman 2k, Vano 1.2, Headhunters 797, Michael 700, Heinrich 599. Where's my TikTok? It's my old dog? Mad. What's it? It looked like a fucking Rottweiler. It is? Nice. You know what I love? My favorite dog is oh god, Doggo Argentino. Oh my god, most beautiful dog. I was like thinking about getting the I don't think I can say this word on fucking stream, but getting the juice like flown over here. Just fucking figuring it out. I don't know. The one you said you're giving away. Yeah, you can have it. Like the TikTok one, absolutely. Rip dog. IP, thank you very much for following me. Thing is, I post sports edit. Would I affiliate market basketball shoes? Maybe. As I said, I have no idea. It is, and I can agree with you. You have a red nose? I was actually going to buy a pedigree pitbull. Like, actually. Bro, I had people go and look at dogs for me. That it had to have pedigree. And I just never did it. I'm kind of glad I didn't, to be honest. Because fucking I'd be like trapped, but a couple years ago I was going to buy one. I'll take it. Yeah, well, it's if we can get to the, if we can get to that point. How did NFP go? Good. I got lots of entries, big reversals, lots of profit. Bro, there's no way anyone beats that. That is fucking absolutely insane. Like, absolutely crazy. seem like you watch UFC. Yeah, I do. I've trained a fair bit, so. That's the only sport I watch, honestly. Or the State of Origin. That's literally it. Fucking too busy to watch anything, to fucking watch fucking soccer or some shit. Oh, I think we might boost. Fuck, we still got, because we slowed down on viewers. This is taking fucking ages. How long did that just take? That just took like 25 minutes. Fuck. Do we? How do I okay, I need to calculate this. So let's say, okay, we got 20 people in here now. Let's calculate this. How do we do this? Okay, so 2400 minus 2135 equals, why do I feel like there's just shit everywhere? It's really annoying. 265, all right? So 265 minutes. How do we do this? Divided by 23? So we need to be on for another 11 minutes if we had 23 people on here. Let's say we have 15. I'd have to be on for another 17 minutes. Just looked it up and Nike and Adidas have affiliate programs. I guess that's the way. Give it a crack, yeah? I mean, I don't know what sort of programs they would have, but, or what sort of commissions or something they would have, but yeah, absolutely, go for it. You know what you could also do? You could become like a clipper. So you take clips and then fucking, whoa. IP code center, you're awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate that a lot. Miami, brother. I'll see you there. I'll see you there. What platform do you use? MetaTrader 4. Make sure you guys like the fuck out of the stream. Keep liking that stream. We need to be in the 1% for everything. Again, we're literally always in the top 1% for fucking everything. TikTok just has to. Thank you very much for the heart, me Max. Thank you. TikTok has to promote me at some point. They just have to. So if we just keep getting in the top 1%, I think the bottleneck that we have, thank God it's Friday. Thank you very much. Thank you. I was about to say, I think my bottleneck is I don't sit here and beg for fucking gifts. And I think gifts are a huge determining factor into how much TikTok's gonna push you. So no, I'm not, that's not a plug to give me gifts, which is what it sounded like. Thank you for the tiny, the TGIF, and thank you, Max, for fucking. This is not a plug for gifts. Stop it. 13 community fest. What the fuck? 9 roses, 13. Stop. None. Stop. Cut it out. Miami. Florida. Cut it out. Thank you very much for the fucking gifts. I shouldn't have said that. Can I say it without you guys fucking doing that? Like, damn it. But yeah, so I don't sit here and beg for gifts and shit. So I never really like I get all the small ones, but I don't do like battles or anything. And so I don't try and get like the big gifts or whatever, which is a huge. I mean, pretty much all of their rankings are based on gifts. You know. Send a Galaxy. Nah, you're good, bro. You're good. If we ever do a battle, maybe I'll hit it up. But yeah, it's all good. Can't end the live till I beat 3 Alchemy. Good luck. Let's have a look at it. What have we got? Fuck, that's insane. That's literally the most likes we've ever had by 5,000 ish. That's fucking crazy. Thank you guys so much. Like, I know that shit helps. Like, that has to help. I'm a beat with 3 with likes. Good luck. I'll send the galaxy. You know, why people want to gift you? I know, bro. I just like, I feel literally, you guys said that, then our viewers just like go up. Like, I know that the gifts are like the biggest thing in terms of growth, but it's just, I don't know. I don't know what it is. Like, I just don't need it. You know what I mean? Like, I'm here to just like help out and fucking answer questions and get people away from all the fucking scammers and everything. And, yeah, so it's not really like the gifts that I really ever think about, you know? It's just, yeah. I don't know. I literally have a mentorship program and it like eats me alive that I charge for it. And I give so much value for so little money, and it's still, I'm like, I can't do this. Like, I feel so bad for charging fucking. I used to be such a good salesman when I worked for other companies. Like, I was a fucking absolute weapon. But now that I'm like pushing I mean, I don't even push my own shit, but yeah. Push you out on here and up in the ranks. Yeah, thank you. Because you're a good guy. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Don't I have to be showing certain product for affiliate links to work? I don't think so. I don't know. How do yours work? I was already using these companies for their products, and I just asked them for affiliate links in case people want to use it or support or whatever. That's all I did. You're a junior. What does that mean? John Black, thank you very much. And Roman Ravencroft, thank you very much, you guys, for following me. I appreciate it. I appreciate a lot. And thank you, 3 Alchemy, IP code, Max, IP code, Birchop, Josh, Maddie, David, Worldly, 3 Alchemy, Lone Wolf. Fuck, there's too many. And they're probably not all. What up, Texas? What up, Dallas? How are you? Any requirements I need for it? Bro, I don't know. I seriously, I have no clue what you would need for random other people's affiliate links. Like, you'd have to contact their company and ask them. That is completely out of my scope. I know virtually nothing about affiliate marketing in the first place, let alone for a sports, like some sports company or something. I got absolutely no idea. I apologize. It's just not even close to my sector. How profitable is day trading? I've heard like you're going against the market even if you know a lot. I mean, the profitability is subjective to each person and each strategy and how aggressive you go, and there's so many different determining factors in that question. Like, I average around 7.5% of my account. So, yeah. You're welcome. Thank you. Good morning. Sorry, good morning. Good morning. Exciting. Happy 4th of July. Is it 4th? It's 4th. Yeah, 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. It's exciting. Robert, thank you for liking. I think we only have, I'll stay on for the next 130 minutes of views that we need. So that'll only be a couple of minutes with our viewership. I'll stay on for that, and then I might boost out of here. It's Friday. It's very slow on Fridays, so we've done all right this stream though, considering TikTok hates me and doesn't give me any viewers anymore. But yes, what's everyone doing on the weekend? What is everyone's plans for the weekend? I want to know. You know what I want to do? Drink. Fuck up. Thank you very much for following me. What age did you realize you wanted to do this for a living? 20. After I became profitable, so maybe like 23. Barbecue, nice. Getting my moped running better and a drink too. Nice. I tell you what, all I want to be doing right now is fucking drinking. But I have work to do, so I cannot. Bro, I used to have a moped. It was the sickest thing ever. It was de-restricted. It'd go 100. Literally, I could get it up to 100 on like a going like downhill. I could get that thing to 100. And it was a 49cc. Bro, it was so sick. What pair are you trading? I trade 18 different pairs. I just put $5 into an Nvidia for my first thingy ever. So was that bad? Oh, I don't know. I don't trade stocks. I do not trade stocks. But congratulations. It's a good start. Buy SVJ. Bro, they're expensive. I don't have SVJ buying power right now. Soon. What were you doing before this full time? I've had multiple jobs. Fucking hell. I did sales. I ran a couple of warehouses. More sales. Fucking... You name it, I've probably done it. You might lose all your money. I got 50cc. Mad. I'm JP. JP? I'm JP. What's that? I don't know. Dang, work before pleasure. All I want to do is just... It's been weeks and all I've done is sit in this fucking apartment. It's all I've done! Sit in this fucking apartment for weeks. It gets shit after a while, I tell ya. What car do you have? I just got rid of this. So I'm shopping around. I just got rid of these two old pieces of shit. So, shopping around. Fucking shitty Volkswagen. And these, Boeings just fucking fall apart. Just playing. Do your eyes ever hurt? Fuck yeah, they do. Fuck yeah. After the streams, bro, staring at this fucking ring light for fucking almost 3 hours, sometimes more than 3 hours. Bro, I get off, my eyes are just bloodshot fucking red from the light, and then I've got to sit on my fucking computer and stare at a screen for fucking till 4 o'clock in the morning. It's like... But yeah, last night, man, my eyes were fucking bloodshot red. It was fucked. So yeah, they do. I was thinking about getting some blue light glasses or some shit, but yeah. Maybe not. Please screenshot my like. I'm going to. You just tell me when you're done. I was just waiting till you were done. Fuck, man, that is absolutely insane. 36,000. Clover's almost at 10k. And Meeksy at 5. Fuck, bro, that is insane. Thank you so much for that, bro. Like, you have absolutely no idea how much I appreciate you doing that shit. Fucking crazy. Thank you. Like, you're always... I couldn't even imagine how many likes you've actually given me. I reckon we've hit... 1 million likes overall in the last 60 days. How come you're not wearing glasses or contacts? No, I'm done now. Like the number. Like the number? What do you mean? Oh shit, did you do something there? Bro, that's what I mean. Yeah, boy! Woo! Yeah, I do. 36669. Nah, that's good. I like it. Thank you. Sorry, my fucking brain. Literally after a couple of hours of streaming, I just turned to a fucking train wreck. Like, my brain fully fucking frizzles for like half an hour. 67. What about it? Huh? Oh, my eyes. Is your eyesight bad? No, I've got incredibly good eyesight. Believe it or not. The only reason I come in sometimes and have a look is, bro, it's so small. How big is it? No comment. Oh, what the fuck? I was literally just there. Bro, why am I getting such hype in the fucking mentorship? What the fuck? What the fuck? These guys are full hyping me up. Bro, what? That's so nice. Bro, that's so nice. What the fuck? I'm gonna read these out because this shit makes me so happy, man. This shit like makes up for sitting in front of my fucking computer fucking 24/7. One of the guys in the mentorship, Tom's bot is what makes this whole trading freaking great. That much I can understand. Really, we are so lucky to have found Tom. He's a true special giving, crazy good fella. I feel like we're the part of the beginning stages of something that will be a massive community in the near future. Yeah, I think it will. He's a funny, crazy dude. Love every minute of watching his lives. I don't know where he come from, but I'm a Queenslander, Aussie through and through. He talks exactly how I do. Brother! Bro, that makes me so fucking happy. Like, makes me happy. I like how, like, the majority, I mean, there's some people in the mentorship just don't even, like, exist. They just, like, joined and then I've messaged them, like, 10 times. They just don't even exist. But pretty much all of them, they all have such fucking nice things to say. And it's like, yes, I love it. I love that. Bro, if I had some shit-ass fucking community, like some fake-ass fucking, I was just like a piece of shit who like lied. Bro, I couldn't imagine that feeling of like people being mad all the time and like, bro, I don't know how people do that. Like, I actually don't know how people deal with that shit. That would fucking, bro, my conscience, I would feel so bad. Oh yeah, it's big. Bro, you know what they say about rangers, gingers? Has Donald Trump ruined your profit? Nah. In fact, he's produced a lot more. Thank you very much for following me, Finn. 10K? Did you hit 10K? Fuck yeah, thank you very much. You guys don't need to like anymore, I'm about to jump off. Bid, where'd you come from? 911. Likes, thank you. 926. Came out of nowhere. What pair is this? This is New Zealand Dollar Yen. Oh, how nice. Sounds like a good bunch in the mentorship. They are. They're all really good people, yeah. Literally really nice. I've been on a call with almost all of them, besides the ones that just fucking... Sorry, Thor! He's listening. He's listening. He was listening. Bro, it just made me so fucking happy. It just made me so happy. Sorry, I didn't know you were fucking in here. It was just like... Bro, it just makes me fucking happy, okay? Leave me alone. Like, that is like literally the highlight of my fucking weeks when you guys like... When I just get messages. Doesn't have to be you guys, it be anyone. Like, it's the highlight of my week. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. It was just, bro, it's just such nice things to fucking say. Sorry. They in here and saw me reading the messages out and was like, you weren't meant to read that out. Sorry! It just makes me happy. I am jumping off now. Are we consolidating on gold? I don't know. I don't trade gold. I think so. Potentially. For consolidation, I'd want to see a little bit more sideways movement. But potentially, yeah. Sorry, Thor. I didn't know you didn't want me to say anything. Anyone here go commando? Just. No, it's all good, bro. Have you happy meal? Tell me sorry. I'm gonna boost. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. Gonna have to. I haven't read this whole thing. There's a bunch of messages in here. I'll have to read them. I need fucking 30 minutes to just get away from the fucking screen, though. I literally just, my fucking eyes are bleeding. You don't care? Okay. Thank you. Sorry about that. Yeah, my eyes are fucking bleeding. So I'm gonna boost. Jesus Christ. Enjoy your weekend. You guys enjoy your weekend too. I'll be back potentially Sunday. Depending on what happens this weekend, but most likely Monday, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. If you're not follow, jump in to the Discord if you need it. Come have a chat. We're building up. Thank you very much, Max. No more. Texas, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Thank you very much, Max. Thanks for all the likes. 3 alchemy, bro. I can't thank you enough for hitting the fucking top fucking liker ever, bro. That is insane. 36,000. Clover, thank you. Meegsy, Worldly, Aman, Vano, Bid, Robert, and Headhunters. Thank you guys so much for fucking the support, and all of you. I really appreciate it. You guys have a fantastic evening. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Have fun. I'll talk to you guys on Monday.